Good afternoon. It's July the 28th, 2017. Time to wrap it up for today. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, what a week we've had. We had a good day trading today. I think we called out before the fact with buy stops or sell stops. At least 5 in crude and maybe 1 in gold and maybe 1 in the bond on that retest failure at 31. So we had a pretty good day today, and hopefully some of you were able to take advantage of that. We came into the e-money this morning wanting to sell 67s to 70s. That was sell 1. And we had a 60 to 62 buy 1, and you can see that we bracketed the market pretty well. The high was 69. We had specifically identified 61.50 as potential support. Where did that number come from? Right there. And we did well. You could have been short at 67.5. Got your 6 points. Right here you could have been long at 64. And we did trade up to 68 and a quarter. You did not get your 6 points until you waited here, so you're up at least 5 right here. So that's 11 points. Not bad on a day that didn't generate or throw off a lot of range, didn't have a lot of volatility to work with. So once again, our methodology shows you where support and resistance are well before the fact. You have plenty of time to take advantage of those insights and information. Okay, F1 inside day. Find a place to trade it come Monday. It is the end of the month. We do have some news on Monday, but it's not usually news that moves the market big time. Looking at our F2 screen, we've got a P put in backwards. What's a P put in backwards? It's short covering. It's profit taking. So we got a seller up here at the 77.50 area. Looks like we got a buyer below 62.50. That's a 15-point range. It's pretty tight. News on Monday: Chicago PMI, don't have a number for that. Pending home sales, don't have a number for that. Dallas Fed, do not have a number for that. We'll pick those up Monday morning. So right here is the same trade we had this morning: 69.71, sell 1. 74.76, sell 2. On the buy side, 60.62, buy 1. 55.57, buy 2. Fortunate this week, 4 out of our 5 days gave us enough volatility and enough activity to hold our interest early and keep us in the trading game. Some days in the summer that's not the case. Thursday, yesterday, we had a pretty quiet day of trading. It was hard to make money and stay actively engaged because of the lack of volatility. Appreciate the input from our room members. They help us out a great deal. We've got some good traders in the room that show up daily. We have a lot of good traders that utilize their stuff that don't show up daily. They say too basic for them, but they figured it out. Looking at the note, lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it. It's contrary to today's P and strong close. So that says trading range. So we'll be looking to do what we did this morning. Sell 31s to 03s. 7 to 11. Sell 2. On the buy side, 21.25, 13 to 17. Looking at the bond. Going to have 4 to 8 as number 1. Sell 11 to 15. And we'll make it 23.27 for sell 2. On the buy side, 28 to 30 is number 1. 21.25 buy 1. 9 to 13 buy 2. And we'll adjust these Monday morning. Looking at gold. Higher low, higher high. Market looks strong. Close above 75, opens up a trade to 1300. Gold does not go straight up, but that would be the next logical stock. It's very, very strong P. So we'll make 75, 77. Sell 1. And then 83, 85, sell 2. On the buy side, 70, 72, buy 1. 65, 67, buy 2. Crude oil, strong day. Ended up closing out, I think, 46.72, 73. We were guessing 65. So once again, crude oil is the toughest market to call compared to the other ones. Higher low, higher high on F1. Find a place to buy it. Our F2 screen is going to tell us the same thing. There you have it, folks. Very, very strong. So sell 1 50 plus or minus. Sell 2 50 25 50 50. City's trading target was 50. We're close enough. Buy side, the breakout came from 25, so 25 to 50 buy 1. 48 78 48 9 even buy 2. And the euro snapped back today, I believe. At least it did when I was looking at it this morning. Inside day on the F1. Find a place to trade it. We did have a strong close. Make the case that it did snap back. And we had 118 even plus or minus, so it looks like it's 95 to 05, sell 1. 1825, sell 2. Buy side, last rotate down was 75, so buy 1, 75. Buy 2, 50. That does it for this July the 28th, 2017. See you bright and early Monday morning. Y'all have a great weekend. It's supposed to be in the mid to upper 80s here, low 90s. So the really excessive heat with humidity to match has blown out for a while. Could stay away as far as I'm concerned. Don't mind the heat, but when you get that humidity to match, it makes for very, very slow moving. Y'all have a great weekend. See you bright and early Monday morning.